This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by harvesting cucumbers at peak seed maturity. Wait until the skin softens and color shifts toward yellow. Use clean shears and gloves to cut the fruit without bruising. This preserves internal seed quality. Once done, label each variety and date so you keep track of lineage. You're avoiding cross-contamination and loss of viable seeds. Make sure to work on a clean surface and move fruits to a shaded, ventilated area for the next step. You slice the cucumbers open and scoop the seeds and surrounding pulp into a jar, then add enough distilled water to cover by about 1/2 inch. Fermentation separates viable seeds from pulp. Once started, leave at about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and stir daily. Expect 2 to 5 days until a thin mold forms on top. After fermentation, carefully pour off floating debris, then rinse the settled seeds through a fine sieve until clear water runs. You finish by drying the cleaned seeds in a single thin layer on paper or mesh in a shaded, low-humidity spot. Allow 1 to 2 weeks until completely brittle. Once dry, transfer seeds to airtight, labeled containers with a desiccant and store cool, ideally 4 to 10 degrees Celsius. If you detect a sour or rotten smell or persistent fuzzy mold, rewash and reevaluate fermentation time. If condition doesn't improve, discard those seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.